Hi, my name is Zhou Ren, and C number is 5372880. Today I will talk about the solar system, and firstly I will define the Kepler's law. Kepler's law describes the orbits of planets around the Sun. The first law can be defined that the orbits of planet is not a circle, but is ellipse when planets move around the Sun. The center of the Sun is always located at a focal point of the elliptical orbit, which means the distance between the planet and the Sun is constantly changing. The second law refers to the path that links the planets and the Sun passes through equal areas at equal intervals of time. The movement speed of planet is not stable, so when the planet close to the Sun, the speed will be faster. The third law indicates that square of a planet's orbital period is proportional to the cube of its orbital semi-long axis. It represents the planet which far away the Sun has longer orbital period. When the moon orbits, the planet will move as well, but the size of wobble is not noticeable because the planet moves around the center of mass at the same time. This means that the planets move due to the gravity of the moon. The magnitude of the wobble depends on the mass of the planets and the distance between them. The greater the mass and the closer the distance, the movement of the planet will be stronger. In terms of center of the mass, in the question 1, the center of the mass will be located very close to the center of the Sun, since the Sun is more massive than the planets. In the question 4, as the mass of the planet change, the center of mass will move away from the center of the Sun and closer to the planet. And in question 7, if gravity is turned off, then there is no more gravitational force between the planet and the Sun, and it can orbit around the Sun, but moves in a straight line in the direction of movement, so there is no center of mass. In a sun-planet system, the Sun is larger than any planet. This causes the center of mass to be very close to or inside the Sun. As the planets orbit their center of mass, the Sun also wobbles slightly. However, in moon planet system, the center of mass can be significantly offset from the planetary center, and the motion of the planet around the center of mass is more pronounced. Due to the function between million kilometers and AU, the distance between each marking is 0.49 AU. And I got the 4 different planet distance and its orbital period. These results follow Kepler's third law because the square of the orbital periods to the cube of the semi-major axis is equal. According to the Kepler's third law, Mercury has the farthest orbital velocity planet, and Neptune is the slowest. The gravitational pull of the Sun decreases with distance, and planets far away from the Sun experience less gravitational pull, so they can rotate at slower speeds. According to this experiment, I explored the solar system, and through accessing the gravity and orbits simulation, I understood the valuable knowledge about solar system, like Kepler's law that the orbit is not a circle. And the change in mass of planet and the Sun will affect the orbital period of planet that's proportional to distance and mass. Moreover, when the planet orbits, the movement of planet is not obviously that we can see. Thank you.